everyone! Today I would love to share 5 things I keep in the freezer so that I always have a quick and easy toddler meal on hand. Our daughter Charlotte is about 1.5 years old, but this would work just as well for older kids or honestly for grown-ups too, because these are good staples to have. So let's go to the freezer. So I purposefully did not clean this out so you can see exactly how it usually is. This is our Charlotte drawer, packed to the top as you can see. So let's get started. I pulled everything out into a bowl and we will go through them as quickly as possible so they don't defrost. So the first thing are these Kale Littles. I got turned on to this brand from Kelly from Studio DIY. I saw it on her Instagram and I thought, ooh, those look good. Charlotte loves kale, so we gave these a try and she is obsessed. What is it? Do you like tots? I'm realizing now that I've never actually said the name out loud, so I think it's Dr. Praeger? Correct me if I'm wrong. What I love about these, look at the ingredient list. It's just kale, potatoes, onions, potato flakes, some canola oil, egg whites, arrowroot, sea salt, and garlic. This I would say is like the secret weapon of our freezer because she will eat this any day of the week, any time of day. She loves them. The next thing are these Applegate chicken nuggets. I love frozen chicken nuggets. And Charlotte does too. Ingredients, there are a couple more than the tots, but they're still pretty good. It's just white meat chicken, whole wheat flour, water, rice flour, and then a little bit of sea salt, cornstarch, rice starch, sugar, cream of tartar, garlic powder, onion powder, yeast, canola oil, and sunflower oil. A few more ingredients, but there's nothing scary. The next thing is a combo. So that is the tropical fruit medley and their frozen chopped kale, both of which are organic because I'm that mom. What I really use it for is for ice pops. It's a really easy way to get some fruit and veggies in her and it makes her teeth feel better. What I love about this is that the frozen banana slices are already in there. It saved me a step of always having the fresh bananas and having to add them. So this has become like my favorite mom secret of all time.
A pop!
I fill up these ice pop trays first, and then whatever's left over, we just have the smoothie for our breakfast. So everybody wins. Next, frozen pancakes. I make these myself, but you can buy them at the grocery store. There's all kinds of frozen pancakes you can buy. I actually give these to her frozen right now because she's still teething. These are ones that I make with coconut oil and whole wheat flour. I'll usually make these on Sunday when I'm making breakfast for the whole family, and then I'll just freeze a ton. So for weeks, I'll have a pancake that I can give her for breakfast. It works out really well. Finally, we have frozen seafood. I saved the sexy one for last. The reason that I keep this in our freezer, there are 2. The first is that Charlotte happens to love seafood. It's her preference. The second reason is that it defrosts really fast, much faster than frozen chicken or frozen pork. I can pop this into a bowl of water and it'll defrost by the time I've like changed her, washed hands. I'll cook it with olive oil on the stove top, and then I'll add some lemon, maybe a little garlic powder. This with a little bit of pasta, quick scampi. My freezer was reserved for ice cream and alcohol before I became a mom and realized I needed to have easy meals on hand. I hope that's helpful. Let me know what your favorites are and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!